So two of the stocks which we follow in that pro analysis class have just reported earnings. You can see on the top of my screen, I've got two tabs open, one for Tesla, one also for Baidu. Now, having a look at the Tesla earnings, what it's doing after market hours, you can see right here, well, if I just get rid of that, it's down about $1.80, close to 1%. It hasn't really done too much to the current market price of Tesla. Whereas when we have a look at the Baidu price, you can see it's down almost 7%. It's trading very close to that $200 figure. If I go back to my software which I use and bring up these charts and just show you exactly what is happening, I'll just remove this vertical line because that's just alerting me obviously that earnings is coming out. But you can expect Tesla tomorrow, as at Thursday, to open relatively flat to where of course we closed today. So it should open about 210, anywhere around that $210 figure. But when I go back up to Baidu, you can see right here at the current market price, as per the after hours trading, we're going to open at somewhere around this figure down here. This is $200 a share. The reason why I'm doing this video is because come Friday's trading session, we may have at least one very good gap and go trade on the price of Baidu. We may have a second if you see some volatility come into the aftermarket hours of Tesla. I do believe it was a fairly dramatic earnings surprise in the way of the Tesla announcement. They were I think the consensus was a negative 25-cent earnings per share estimate. It came back at, I think, over 0.9, so 90-cent loss per share in the way of Tesla. So to see it as unchanged as that and to not see a gap, that's a little bit concerning, or at least surprising, especially when you sort of look at what's occurring in the aftermarket hours for the price of Baidu, down close to $200 on a relatively stable report. So let's just pay attention to this. I'll keep you updated. I will give you an updated trade as at Friday in that pro analysis class. So when you look in, or when you sign into that private area, there'll be two more additional trade setups in that pro private area, Baidu and also on Tesla. Other than that, I just wanted to show you what was going on in the after hours. Again, markets down close to 6.5%, $200, right around that psychological round number on Baidu. And when I bring up Tesla, again, dancing around that, 1%, $211 area in the after hours markets. Pay attention to it, or you not necessarily pay attention to it. These are bound to change as the evening goes on, and of course, pre-market Thursday. So we'll just have a look before the market opens, of course, what is going on. I wouldn't suggest trading it as at the open. I'd rather leave it a day, wait to the close on Thursday, and then trade the gap and go on the Friday, which will keep you updated on in that pro private area. All the best traders around the world, have a fantastic Thursday evening. I'll see you all again for a Friday afternoon market recap. All the best. Goodbye.